equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. If your Lenovo ThinkPad X1 won't turn on, let's troubleshoot it. First, gather your tools, a screwdriver set, a soft cloth, and some compressed air. Start by removing the screws on the back panel. Keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently lift the panel off. Next, visually inspect the internal components. Look for any loose connections or signs of damage. If you see dust, use the compressed air to clean the fans and vents. This can help with overheating issues. Now, check the battery connection. If it's loose, reconnect it securely. If the battery is removable, take it out and press the power button for 15 seconds to discharge any residual power. Then, reinsert the battery. After that, try turning on your laptop again. If it still doesn't work, consider seeking professional help. Remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel. You can get a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. This way, you can make an informed decision. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.